Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This Rio Nuevo St. Mary home is absolutely charming and versatile. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is spacious and offers ample room for comfortable living. It sits on 0.24 acres of land. The corner lot location adds privacy and gives the property a unique character. The lush gardens, filled with tropical plants, fruits, and flowers, create a serene and picturesque atmosphere, perfect for those seeking tranquility. The ample outdoor space provided by the property allows for outdoor social gatherings, providing opportunities for hosting friends and family, or simply enjoying the outdoors with loved ones. With a little TLC, you can personalize the home and make it your own, turning it into a warm and inviting living space. Its close proximity to Ocho Rios makes it convenient for both locals and visitors alike to enjoy the amenities and attractions at the area. The fact that it is just a 10 minutes drive away allows for easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.